Oh, hello.
Hey.
So we're gonna be recording a video today?
Yes.
Oh, what are we gonna record?
Well, the fans and me want you to record a workout video.
Oh, okay, yeah. Well, we've been getting a lot of comments on that. So they want us to do a workout video because we both look very fit, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So I do got a workout for you, and it's I guess we'll start with some body parts. I know one for chest and triceps.
Okay,
So
let's do it.
So the workout consists of, from the chest is mostly like push-ups. For the triceps, there's other workouts that you can do without weights. This is gonna be without the weights. So that way, even if you don't have your own home gym at home, you can still work out. Trying to show you that there is no excuse to do a workout. What I would like for you guys to do with these workouts is have some different sets. So start off with doing 15 reps, then 10, and then 7 reps. And each one you take a break for about 30 seconds to a minute, depending on how out of shape you are. But basically the first workout is a regular push-up. The regular push-up is supposed to look like this. You're supposed to have like your back straight. Is my back straight?
Yes.
Mostly, yeah. And just follow the form and just go down like normal.
Okay, how many of those?
You start with 15. After you do the 15, then you move to the tricep workout, which I'll show you right now. And then you take a break, then do 10, and then break, and then 7.
Okay.
And that way you get yourself a good workout in. You can mix it up a bit. If I were you, I would just start off just doing it like normal, just focus on the form. And later when you get more advanced, you can do other types of things with these workouts. Like maybe if you want to do 15, do it as fast as you can. And then when you do 10, do it timed, where you go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then go all the way up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, something, which is like a tempo type. And then maybe sooner or later you throw something on your back, like a sack of potatoes or something. And,
Right.
And just use that as extra weight. So that's the push-ups. You do 15 of those.
But wait, you're not gonna do them?
No, this is just a tutorial.
Oh, okay. Thought you were gonna do the whole workout.
Maybe some other video.
Okay.
For the triceps, you can get yourself a chair. You can use your sofa. This is more of a counter height chair, but luckily it has this little base right here. If you have a smaller chair, you can use that. And you're just gonna put your hands like this, and depending on how out of shape you are, if you're not in the best shape, keep your legs this close to you, and you're just gonna go down. And you pick yourself up. Focus on the tricep. And if you're getting better, then put your legs all the way straight and do that. Yeah, you'll do that.
Yes, that.
Exactly that.
What happened?
I don't know. That took a lot out of me.
Okay. What other workout do you have?
So after you do that,
How many of those did you say?
15, break. Well, you do the chest and that,
Okay.
break for 15. After you do the 15, and then you do 10 push-ups and that, break, and then 7 push-ups and that.
Okay.
7 of that too. After that, you take yourself like a 2-minute break, because you just did a lot in that workout, even though it's just 2 different workouts, but it'll be a lot. The next workout you should try to do is still similar with the push-ups, but now your arms are gonna be wider. So instead of shoulder width,
Okay.
now they're wider. And same deal, you gotta keep your back straight and just go down. Just like that. For the triceps, let me get something real quick. I got myself a ragu sauce. because this is actually a good weight. If you don't have actual weights, just find anything in your house.
Yeah, just make sure to put it back.
Yeah, I'll put it back. Don't
Yeah,
worry, I'll put it back.
okay.
Let me do the workout. For the meantime, if you don't have no weights, just get like a can of corn. Depending on how strong you want to be, get one of these, gallon of water or so. And the next workout will be, you can get a chair so you can be like this, and you're gonna hold on to the can,
Okay.
and you're gonna just stretch it out, and just like that. Same thing with the left arm. Basically, you gotta keep your arm straight and don't move it like this, don't move it like that. It stays like that, and
Okay.
only the bottom arm stretches out.
Yeah.
And that's how you do it. You do the 15 wide arm push-ups.
So everything's the same.
Yeah, 15,
Okay.
10, 7. With a 30-second to 1 minute break between each set. After you're done with your second workout set, we got one more. It's still a push-up, but this time, instead of regular and instead of wide, I bet you guessed it, now it's close.
Oh,
And
okay.
it's basically you're forming a diamond, and these are called diamond push-ups, and you're just gonna come, same deal, keep your back straight and go down, and that's it.
You look tired, and that's
Yeah,
because you didn't even do
really
it.
I'm really out of shape.
That's because you didn't even do the workout.
And then last thing, let me grab something else.
Okay.
Last thing. So
Oh my God,
you
you
can
grabbed
see-
the whole kitchen. Now my potatoes.
it's only 2 things. Make sure you do these workouts without your wife watching you.
Oh my.
Because then
Well, because
then she says things like, "Oh, put it back," and I got
my
cooked.
potatoes, just make sure like you don't hurt them, okay?
Yeah. She starts saying things like, "Oh, I gotta cook something, and I need that," when she doesn't use this at all. So, anyways, the last workout for the triceps, you can get yourself a potato sack. And let's get one that's full. This
One
one-
that's full.
This one's not too full, but this is good for at least to just show you what to do.
Okay.
The last one, you're using both hands, and you're getting it like this, and as you can see sideways,
Wouldn't it be easier to use something else?
weights as well.
Oh.
We don't have weights, so this is for people who don't have weights.
Okay.
And just keep your arms straight, right? Your arms have to be straight.
Yeah.
And only this part stretches out. So you just go from here and up and then go back down. Yes. And that's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
How? I didn't see that. I'm sorry.
Oh, you didn't see that?
No. Okay.
I'll do it again for the people that didn't see. Like my wife. Okay. Ready? And you just go up and back down. And just like that.
When you said
Same
we
deal.
were gonna do a workout video, I was thinking you were gonna do the whole set.
I could, but then I'd be all sweaty and stinky. Didn't want to do that. Not yet. I can do that off camera. I don't want the people looking at me struggle and crying or something.
I'm not
So,
gonna cry.
maybe I'll do that off camera. But that's a simple workout, beginner's workout. You're gonna feel the burn during the whole workout, and you're gonna feel it tomorrow for sure. And,
So now there's no excuse. I mean, you
Yeah,
already
because
grabbed
it's-
many things from the kitchen,
Yeah, you can grab
potatoes, tomato sauce and everything. So you can just do a workout at your home with
Yeah.
those things if you don't have weights.
Exactly. But yeah, this is at least your chest and tricep workout. I'll do more tutorials on other body parts, so that way there's a workout for like every single day. You got your chest and triceps, you got your back and biceps, you got your leg day, which not a lot of people like. I don't mind leg day. It's actually probably the best body part to work out. You got your shoulders. You can even do legs and shoulders in one day. And you can work out abs in the middle of those days.
Yeah, maybe for the next video you can do maybe legs and abs.
Yeah,
That'll be good.
That'll be good. But yeah, glad you guys stuck to the video, and we'll see you in another one. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in another video. See ya.